Welcome back to Code and Communicate with ClueTech. So, first of all, very happy new year to all of you. Okay, so today we will be focusing like why only learning Python will not help you to get job in 2026. So, the main reason is most of us always believe, or you can say, most people believe one lie that if a person learn Python, or if I have learned Python, I will get a job. That was true years ago. Okay, it is not true anymore because companies are rejecting Python learners every day. Not because they are bad, but the reason is they are incomplete. Interviews don't ask, do you know Python? They ask, how would you solve this problem? Are you a problem solver? They will just check. Why did you choose this approach? Right? How you are solving any problem? Why you have choose this particular path? Can you explain this to a non-technical person? Basically, they are checking their communication, right? So that's the thinking of an interview. That's your uh, checking how you are communicating, right? So in 2026, the winning combination will be Python plus AI tools and soft skill. So if you want the exact roadmap, check the link in the description. And if you want to learn more about this, kindly like, subscribe, and this channel. Thank you very much.